Muse. To think deeply or quietly. She mused about her future plans. He sat alone and mused over the question. Debar. To prevent someone from doing something. He was debarred from entering the competition. Breaking rules can debar a person from benefits. Shirker. A person who avoids work or responsibility. He was known as a shirker because he always left work to others. No team functions well when a shirker is involved. Benign. Gentle, kind, or not harmful. The doctor said the tumor was benign and not dangerous. She gave him a benign smile to calm his fear. Dastard. A cowardly or cruel person. The villain was a true dastard in the story. Only a dastard harms others without reason. Allege. To claim something without proof yet. She alleged that the money was stolen. The report alleged corruption in the office. Affront. An action that insults or offends someone. His rude words were an affront to her dignity. Ignoring the invitation felt like an affront. Debacle. A complete failure or disaster. The event turned into a debacle due to poor planning. What started well ended in a public debacle. Blemish. A mark or fault that spoils something. The scratch was a blemish on the car. That mistake became a blemish on his record. Latent. Present but hidden or not active yet. He had a latent talent for music. Stress can awaken latent fears. Contempt. Strong disrespect or feeling that someone is worthless. She spoke with contempt about dishonesty. Contempt can destroy relationships. Debase. To lower the value or dignity of something. Lying only debases one's character. He refused to debase himself for money. Vanquish. To defeat completely. The army vanquished the enemy after a long fight. She vanquished her fear and moved forward. Dulcet. Sweet and pleasant to hear. Her dulcet voice calmed everyone. Soft music played in dulcet tones. Lissome. Light, graceful, and flexible. The dancer's lissome movements impressed the crowd. A lissome body helps in athletic activities. Intimate. Very close or personal. They shared an intimate conversation. The book gives an intimate look into his life. Dissipate. To slowly disappear or spread out. The fog dissipated as the sun rose. His anger dissipated after a calm talk. Albumen. The clear, white part of an egg. Albumen turns white when the egg is cooked. Bakers often separate albumen from the yolk. Airs. Proud or fake behavior meant to impress. He put on airs after getting a promotion. She disliked people who showed airs without reason. Agriculture. The practice of farming and growing crops. Agriculture supports the lives of millions. Modern agriculture uses technology to increase production. Affiliate. To connect or officially join with a group. The company is affiliated with an international brand. He chose to affiliate himself with the organization. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.